You are now watching World's Best Essentials on Dykeman TV. Let's go.
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Fastest Engine, episode 62. Today's competing engines are Mavis, Wobbly Cargo Thomas, Talking Diesel, Reboot Thomas, Original Thomas, Barry, Young Val, Wobbly Cake Thomas. Now let's get started with the quarterfinals. Mavis versus Wobbly Cargo Thomas. Next up, Talking Diesel versus Reboot Thomas. Moving on with Original Thomas versus Barry. Finishing up the quarterfinals, Young Val versus Wobbly Cake Thomas. Semi-finals time with Wobbly Cargo Thomas versus Reboot Thomas. Finishing up the semifinals with Barry versus Wobbly Cake Thomas, who will face Wobbly Cargo Thomas in the finals.
Probably Wobbly Cake Thomas.
Let's find out. Wobbly Cargo Thomas and Wobbly Cake Thomas are in the finals. Wobbly Cargo Thomas is the winner.
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click the bell for more notifications, updates, and new videos.